Hey, let me show you unboxing of Motorola Moto G86 5G and what information we can find on the box. First of all, this is all colors that you can find on this phone. For a different one, we get also the underwater drop protection, so the phone is fully waterproof. There's also the Super HD resolution with 120 Hz refresh rate. This is the 5G version, and the storage is 8 gigs of the RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. And now the next information we can find on the sticker. So we got the 50 megapixel sensor from Sony with AI. The phone comes with this protection case and it's actually made out of the plastic. After removing this sticker, we can find that there is no factory installed screen protection. So if you want to improve and protect your phone from scratches, you have to apply some kind of the foil or tempered glass. Okay, so on the back we can find 3 cameras with flashlight. There's the Motorola logo on the back, and the back it's not made out of the glass, it's some kind of the rubber or plastic with soft finished. On the left side we can find SIM slot. So over here we've got a hybrid SIM slot. We can input 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and memory card. On the right side we can find volume buttons, power key. At the top we got marking of Dolby Atmos. There's the microphone. At the bottom of the phone we can find USB-C port, speaker and another microphone. And that's the welcome screen of the Motorola. Now let's take a look for some other accessories. Here we can find USB-A into USB-C cable and also some paperwork. But as you can see, there's no any charger or headphones. And that's actually everything. That was the quick unboxing. If you are looking for some tutorials or a review like some of the best features of this phone, you can find it on my channel.